Pretty dark day in the world with the bombing in Afghanistan, loss of life with service members. Thoughts and prayers are with those families. And so that was the toughest part of the day, the darkest part of the day. Also lots of losses in the portfolios today with these choppy markets. Hardly a winning trade at all in this. So 200K portfolio down at worst case drawdowns minus about 8,200. And the 50K portfolio is down as well today, and we'll take a look at those numbers here. Down about 3,500 per contract, per unit traded. So very, very tough day in a lot of ways. And so let's go over the trades on the day. We had the SR counter trend 2, V2 1M. Minus 825 across the board. These were stopped out at that low point. Felt like a very tough stop run. You know, the bombing took place here, and the market sold off. It was a delayed sell-off, and then it bounced, but it did roll over, and it did roll over again. And so the dip buyers continue to prop up the markets as always, and you know, pretty extreme to have the constant propping in the market amidst what we're going through in Afghanistan against the potential taper and inflation, and so there should be more ebb and flow in the market. It's extremely one-sided, and let's take a look at the rest of the trades. Minus 825 here as well. Minus 825 on the 15-minute, and minus 825 on SR counter trend 2. Gap fill master minus 525. Cobra CT3 minus 625, after hours minus 412.50. Adaptive moving average, this one isn't in the portfolio, right around break even. Cobra 3 is about the only winning strategy on the day so far. And here is the non-profit target version. Here's the profit target version. Almost hit its profit target, but the market's trying to bounce here at the end of the day. Asia 4 minus 1150. ES2 VSD long only minus 150, gap continuation in reverse minus 437.50. NQ minus 825 on SR counter trend 2, minus 825 on SR counter trend 2 V2 1M, which was the new strategy in the 50K portfolio. Then we have SR counter trend 2 5M plus 475 and 15M plus 475, which are not in the portfolio. Tick Pulse minus 625, Cobra 3 ES non-profit target and profit target version minus 625. So after we got stopped out on the long trades like this, came in here and stopped out on the long trades, we shorted it, and then we lost on the short side as well. Massive rally against us with the constant dip buying and the need to keep it at all-time highs. The bulls have the constant need to keep it all-time highs. And then 60-minute breakout A, no trades. 60-minute breakout B, minus 1855. VSD long only, minus 260. VSD long short, plus 940. Viper 2008, plus 710. Gap continuation, 2019 big stop loss, minus 725. Plus 115 on Cobra 3, bigger stop loss. We didn't get stopped down on the bigger stop loss. Cobra Crude couldn't catch a bid in crude oil today. Cobra Crude bought near the highs, stopped out minus 725 on both of those. And natural gas, we have, you see natural gas is up 7% today, but crude oil could not catch a bid. And then RBOB also up on the day. This shows down on the day, but it's up on the day. Massive move in the energies this week, but crude oil did not catch a bid today. Gold couldn't catch a bid. Above 1,800 amidst inflation, amidst geopolitical stress, and Cobra Gold went short, stopped out, minus 625 on that trade. No trades in silver, no copper minus 100. Haven't been trading that one yet. Euro minus, plus 162.50. Soybeans, just a choppy day in soybeans, minus 125 here. Here's the optional and old strategies. Here is exhaust and reverse, the mini S&P. Just a tough trading day, tough day in the world, and tough month really in general. So looking at worst case drawdowns in the portfolios here, new worst case drawdowns after a big down day in oftentimes we can get a bounce, and so we are holding for a bounce. If you start in a drawdown, this is why we start. This is why we start in a drawdown, because you get geopolitical events like this that unfortunately affect a lot of things, and then it also affects what we're doing here. And so those are the trades on the day for Thursday, August the 26th, 2001. There's still about 39 minutes left to trade.